Hi, welcome to Big Cat Homestead. Today we have our final sweet potato harvest of 2022. I'm going to harvest this last bed of sweet potatoes. Let's see what we got here. The first thing we're going to do is remove all the vines. It just makes it easier to dig up the sweet potatoes. And we also have a little contest going this time. We're going to have a Miss Big Hat and Mr. Big Hat. Who are you going to bet on? In the end, we'll see who wins, who collects the most sweet potatoes. Just something to make it a little fun in the garden. Okay, we have enough of the weeds and the vines out. We can start digging. The contest starts. Let's see who will win. We divided the bed in half, and I have the left half and Mr. Big Hat has the right half. So everything on the left half goes in my bucket, everything on the right half goes in his. This competition is stiff here. Mr. Big Hat is not playing. I had to go and get me another tool to keep up. Okay, we think we have most of the potatoes, but how Mr. Big Hat Homestead had me filling his bowl? This is a competition. Okay, I think this is it. Looks like we may be tied, but he definitely got the biggest potato. Look how big that is. These are all about medium size. Good sizes. So I think we got this. Okay. Looks like Mr. Big Hat Homestead won. It's the final. Mr. Big Hat has 48 and I have 38. Pretty good haul. Let's get some close-ups here. This is the biggest one here. We will cure these for 2 weeks and then we can store them. We hope you enjoyed this content, and if you did, go ahead and like, comment, follow, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, thank you for watching. Bye!